Internal Revenue Service, IRS Tax News. IRS Advisory Council issues 2020 Annual Report. IR 2020-258, November 18, 2020, Washington. The Internal Revenue Service Advisory Council, the IRSAC, today issued its annual report for 2020. There's a link to that report here, including recommendations to the IRS on new and continuing issues in tax administration. The IRSAC is a federal advisory committee that provides an organized public forum for discussion of relevant tax administration issues between IRS officials and representatives of the public. IRSAC members offer constructive observations regarding current or proposed IRS policies, programs, and procedures. The 2020 public report includes recommendations in 26 issues, which cover a broad range of topics, including funding of the IRS, the Taxpayer First Act, expansion of e-file, proposal for an early exam program for large business, telephone response times for the Practitioner Priority Service, resources for Native American taxpayers and federally recovered tribes, taxpayer digital communications. The IRSAC is administered under the Federal Advisory Committee Act by the Office of National Public Liaison, part of IRS Communications and Liaison, and draws its members from the tax-paying public, the tax professional community, representatives of the low-income community, small and large businesses, tax-exempt and government entities, the payroll industry, and academia. It is comprised of 4 subgroups aligned to the IRS operating divisions: large business and international, small business / self-employed, tax-exempt / government entities, and wage and investment. Commissioner Chuck Reddick and IRS executives thanked members of the councils whose terms end this year. So I won't read all the people here, so you can go through the list of people whose term has ended if you so choose. There'll be a link to this in the description. And I'm doing that out of mercy so I don't butcher the names of all the people here. So you can go ahead and read those if that's something of interest.